Okay. I pulled off so I could put you guys back on so I could show you. Another. Us going back. There's a goat tied out. He's tied to a big old, look like a tractor tire. He's just laying there. It's like, we ain't gonna mow. We'll just tie a goat out. Did I see anything? They're working up here. So, coming this way, you might see how high up we are. Budget, and I kind of went over the budget at my 127. You always go up for the budget, but it wasn't too far over, so I'm still happy with what I got. This has been a good day. I'm pleased. I found quite a lot. Yeah, these roads are very, very curvy. some idea. There's houses down there. I hope you can see it. There's a pear plant down there. Now the fish hatchery is down there too. So, I don't know if you can see it. This little fisherman, he's got all kinds of stuff on his little fish side. There's the fish hatchery down there. Sorry about that. I'm getting across before that turns red. I don't want to be sitting on the dam. Donna would never come across it because of the movie San Andreas Fall. Yeah. She said, no, you're not getting me on that bridge. A big hole there. That's not good. Look at all the rocks there that has fallen. I don't know if y'all saw them or not. Over there's the lake. Yeah. It's huge. Huge. So back home. Now you can go there and overlook the lake, but that's even higher up. So I don't want no part of that. I was thinking that they was working on the road before the bridge. No, I mean after we went across the bridge, but no, it was before we got to the bridge. Listen to me, to the dam. Bella acts like she's burning up and it's cold in here. I got the air on. Was in Russell County. Said, welcome back. Now we're headed into Clinton County. I just took y'all through two little towns. And it's out in the middle of nowhere. Now if you live out in here, you have to drive quite a ways to get anywhere. So I guess I shouldn't complain about having to drive to Walmart, because they have to drive quite a ways just to go grocery shopping. Well, those guys are on break. working on this part years. Turn off two-way radios and cell phones. And I'm recording. I think because sometimes, don't they say sometimes the wave, if they're dynamite, it can pick it up and cause it to go off quick. Now here is the start of the work. I don't know if you can see it. Well, maybe through there. Oh, I don't think you could. Sorry about that. Nobody was behind me, so I didn't care. Sorry about that, you couldn't say. I was trying to get you to say, I've just had y'all all over the place. Yeah, these roads are curvy. Early this morning to yard sale. So, yeah, I saw that yard sale sign, but it was way up in the woods, and I can't see it from the road. I don't go to it. Because, for one thing, you don't know what you're getting into. I take precautions, and that's only common sense, to not put myself out there in danger. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed the little trip. I hope you have liked going along with me, going across the dam. So I will see you later this afternoon, and I've got so you guys have a blessed day. You hang in there.